How to find my Facebook user ID and username. So if you want to find your Facebook's user ID or the username, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. Now after opening your Facebook, you can go to the upper right corner which has the 3-barred icon, and then you can simply go to settings and privacy, and then you can go to settings, and under settings here on the upper side you will have account center. You can simply tap on account center, and under your account center on the upper side on the first option you will have profiles. You can simply tap on profiles, and then you can choose your Facebook account, and here you will have your name, your username, your profile picture and your avatar. So if you go to name, here you will have your name. You can simply change your name from here, and you can see that here, and you can go back and then you can simply tap on username. I have not chosen a username, so if you want to add a username to your account or if you want to edit your username, then you will find it here. So that's it. That's how you find your user ID or your username on your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.